if you missed NODE.AI and you missed Render, I'm telling you now, you do not want to miss this coin I'm about to show you. It has 1000x potential. Which one am I talking about? This is not financial advice. Do your further research if you want. See, this is research. Welcome back. This is not sponsored either. I'm talking about a project that goes by the name of Rent.AI. I've been doing my lookabouts, my research in AI projects in the crypto space, ones that I feel have huge potential. I seriously believe that this could probably move the same way that NODE.AI went and Render, because this is right down this alleyway. It's just like them. The GPU marketplace for enterprise. I don't know when everyone says business communities, whatever. I don't know, enterprise again. Another thing, look, you can buy, it says here, look, buy, rent, hold to receive share of profits from our enterprise GPU marketing place. When I look at this, I just see Render. I've even got up the whole renting thing here on this side where you can see the GPUs that they're offering for processing when it comes to, like I said, when it comes to AI and the development of AI, you're going to need GPU rendering services just like this, in a decentralized way. So, and I know this is going to fly because I feel it. I saw what happened to NODE.AI. I saw what happened to Render. This could very well go that same way. So real quick, just touch on this because there's a lot of tabs open I want to talk about. You can already see the prices moving up. I put this to Patreons on a buy low at I put it to Patreons at a 1.3 million market cap. I'm calling 1000x. If this gets listed on exchanges in the future, which they've locked their liquidity, right? So once the once the liquidity gets unlocked, they can probably use some of that to give to exchanges so they can start listing it in there. If it does, this is gonna move. It seriously can do. And it doesn't even need to, because look how NODE.AI went. It's not listed on any exchanges yet. 1.3 million market cap. The price was 13 cents. This has tiny supply. I'm talking 10 million in supply, no more than that. Half the supply of Bitcoin. This could probably, if it does well, if the AI space blows up more, which I think it's going to, because trillions of dollars, I think I showed you a video not long ago, $1.8 trillion is going to come into AI. And if $1.8 trillion flood the AI space, let this just fly to $1 billion, $1.3 billion, and this is going to absolutely 1000x people's money. That's what I believe. My personal opinion. You don't have to agree with me. This is not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do, but I sure as hell know what I'm doing. I'm putting big money in this. It's high risk because it's new. 1.3 million market cap at this. Let me refresh it because I know it's going to move. Patrons, if they see the opportunity, they're going to want to buy this. Well, coming on, this is like, I think the APIs are slow on Dex, on CoinGecko, but when you come onto Dex tools, look, already sitting at 29 cents, up 87% of the time recording this video. We'll see what happens as time goes on. This isn't a meme coin. This isn't let me just pump it, dump it, because a lot of meme coins are high risk. People just want to get in, get out. They're impatient. You don't have patience. With these types of projects, you need patience. You need time to let them grow adoption, let people start using their services that they're offering. RTX 3070s right now that I see here, it will be good as time goes on if they expand and get some of these A100 chips or whatever it is, processors, and everything else. I'm assuming people can come on here and obviously offer their rendering services, GPU services as well. It says buy, rent, hold it to receive a share of the profits from our enterprise GPU marketplace. So every time people come over here and start using this, you're going to earn just by holding this token. There's only one downfall that I don't like with these GPU rendering services or projects is the tax. Some are 4%, 5%. This one's got 5% tax, but I'm assuming that 5% that we use, that they will use it to help with their services, right? When it comes to offering GPU rendering services. I'm looking over on their Twitter, right? Look at this, 2,000. It's not been fake. It's not fake followers. Sometimes you look at something that's got like 50,000, and you look at all like the views and stuff. It's like it's not generated like that. This is real followers. Look, what's this? Sentiment AI partners. So they got a few partnership things going on over here. They're burning tokens as well. I'll talk about the NFT thing they got here because you can earn extra. It says they got 1,000 rent AI cards that give you more exposure to rent the token. So that's a good little cool way of having an extra passive income if you hold one of those NFTs. When I look at this, I see potential. And if they're burning tokens, look, 49,000 tokens burnt. And I checked this, I looked at the scan and everything else because I wanted to confirm it. Ali, is this true? You can come on the ETH scan, you can check that they have a dead address, which is going to be burning tokens. Let's click on holders and you can see, right? Here, look, where's the null address? Here, null, 00. So they've burnt over 200,000 tokens already, is that right? If it is, you're talking about a deflationary token. A tiny, you're talking, it's mad. 10 million tokens, which is a tiny supply. It's deflating, which means it's going to get tinier and tinier. Maybe 10 million is not the max supply anymore. Maybe that's what I'm seeing over here, because when you come over here, it says 9.79 million. Well, it must be less than this. It must be maybe, I don't know, 9 million now. Because I looked on their Twitter and saw 2 burn events, 49,000 there. Look, 99,000 rent burnt. Is this a max? Is supply capped? Or is it's a max supply? This is mad. Like, there's so much tokens that are getting burnt. That's over 100,000 tokens burnt. So, 10.9 million. Okay, so maybe that makes sense because this says 9.7. Yeah. 9,790,000 tokens. That makes sense, and it's going to keep going down. So yeah, I like this. I like the fact that it's deflationary, means the tokens become more scarce. The price pumps up even higher because it's more scarce. And it's targeting a very fascinating part of the AI space. It says easy to use, easy and accessible software and apps. Simply buy, rent, and stake it to start earning. Simple, if you want to do that. Hold to earn system as well. So like I said, we value investors, so we share profits by holding rent. You're getting a huge share of our profits in the form of buybacks. 5 tax. So our token has a 5 sell tax, 5 buy tax, or buy and sell, whichever one, that allows us to fund the rent AI infrastructure. This is the essential. This is an essential investment in our business that brings in massive returns. They've got an expert team that's been around for 10 years and experience in software enterprise and LLM management. It says 100% fair launched, so it didn't have. You can see here that our tokens were launched with no insiders. The treasury is locked for 1 year, as is the LP. And I was listening to their Twitter. I can't remember, was it? You can go on Twitter and listen to their things, right? AMAs and stuff, and they were confirming it. This is why they can't get listed on centralized exchanges, because they need the tokens. When you get listed on a centralized exchange, the exchange wants some of the tokens, but they can't because they locked it for a whole year. Cool. And then it says strong community. So we focus on developing a strong community. Cool. Invest in the future of AI. 99% service uptime is what you want to see. So 250 byte data points our LLMs are trained on. I'm guessing that's the AI. I don't know what LLM stands for. I'm going to have to look into that more. I know you got ML, which is machine learning. I don't have to look into that one. Let's have a quick look. What does LLM mean? Does it say? No, LLM. Let me just put something else came up randomly in GPU. Let's have a look. Okay, large language models. Okay, cool. Which is again deep learning with AI. Cool. And then you come down here, it says buy rent. If you want to click it, click that buy button. If you want to buy it, I just totally forgot. Links are in the info section. You buy it on Uniswap. That's the only way you can get it. Sort of like how it was for NODE.AI. You can only get it on Uniswap. The contract address is in the info section. Click it, come over, check it out. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm just seeing opportunities here. I'm seeing what's hot in the AI space. Big powers are developing on medical language model processing and things like that. But then you've got this GPU side of things. And this is why NODE.AI blew up. Render's been blowing up because it's offering people the opportunity to share their GPU processing power, which big entities are going to need to make AI more advanced, more powerful. So I'm really bullish on this, and I think it's going to perform extremely well. So yeah, as you can see right now, 2.8 million. If it does a 10x, it goes to 28 million. 100x, 288 million. 1000x from the price recording right now, even though you're seeing it move, $2.8 billion. And like I said, think of the money that's coming in. How much will AI market cap size. I'm just writing it quick. Be worth. See if it comes up real quick. I might spell a few things wrong. Here you go. Look, find example. No, let me refresh it. How much are market cap size? Well, it says here, the market size is expected to show an annual growth of 28%, 826 billion. I saw 1 point something trillion. Let me just see, how much will the AI market cap size be worth? I heard 1.8 trillion. Let me just type 1.8 trillion just to see what comes up, because I saw something somewhere. Global artificial intelligence. Was it this? It was saying something about how it's going to grow to $1.8 trillion, because there's a huge amount of money interest in this. Huge amounts. So you only need a couple of billion to come into projects like this, and that's where you make crazy money. Now, when I always compare these to like your baby Doge and all these other meme coins that have been taken, billions have been going into them with no use case. This is showing a strong use case. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this. It's going to be a quick one. They got the documents as well, which you can click on. Actually, I brought this up just to have a look at like the processing stuff and the whole token. Look, 10 million supply, 90% is in liquidity, locked for 6 months, unlocked date 4th of September, 10% rent AI treasury, and again just talks about, you know, the tax and everything else. TGE event, what's this? All rent was generated on the 4th of March, cool, 90% locked. Yeah, just, you know, that sort of stuff. If you want to look at this more, you can in your own time. You just click on the docs on the thing and then you look at the documents. And this just breaks it down a bit more what they're trying to do and trying to achieve. I've read through a lot of this. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. This is short, sweet and simple. If you liked it, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Drop your comments down below. What do you think of Rent AI? I found this through the Next Gem AI. Next Gem AI is another AI project I've been buying, and patrons, you saw the buy alert. This is flipping powerful. Don't underestimate. English disappears. Don't underestimate it. I flipping found it on this thing here, Rent AI, and there's some more powerful AI projects that are being shared through Next Gem AI. That's another gem that's gonna blow. I'm telling you now. Do not underestimate these AI projects that are helping us get these powerful insights to crypto that can make us insane gains. I'm gonna leave it here. Become a Patreon, links in the info section. They saw it first. They saw this first. You have the opportunity to see these projects first. Still nice, you know, you're midway through the month. Unless you want to wait till the first, it's up to you. But within that time, I'm sharing gems that could blow up massive, make you crazy gains. 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. Unlocks all the posts. You'll see when I'm buying, selling, staking, all that stuff. Yeah, when I'm buying AI coins a lot. Yeah, if you can't afford it, the CEO tier. Let me grab. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. That's my flipping buy alert on the Rent AI. My CEO tier gives you access to the VIP Telegram group. Magic happens over there. So right now, I feel like the AI space is starting to pick up again. I feel like it's going to continuously just keep picking up. And, you know, I want to make sure that my patrons are on point with that. You got smart investors in there sharing AI projects all the time. You got big money that understands how to make bigger gains. Millionaires in the group, in the super alerts. Well, you're super alert to all of it over there. Come check it out. You know how it is. I'm talking too much. Thanks for watching. Where's nothing here, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.